So what can we expect from these tech giants? Joining us now is Wang from Constellation Research. Ray, good to see you. So what matters more in these earnings to the overall market? That the biggest players continue to spend on infrastructure and show confidence, or that they show top-line growth from AI, actually revenue coming in, people paying?
John, you're absolutely right. What's going on right now, and the big themes are in AI's question is, are we in the bubble or are there more orders? Every indication we have with channel checks shows that the AI revenue streams continue, but it's 6 out of the 7 of the Mag 7 are paying for NVIDIA, plus additional 3 other companies. That's driving it, but we're starting to see the beginning of AI revenue, and that's what the street's looking at. The second area is really about digital ads. And will the digital ads continue? Are we seeing the growth there? And all indications there look like there's some good numbers that are going to be there. And the last piece is really about energy consumption. Those are the 3 big trends I'm looking at when I think about the Mag 7 going forward into the next 3 quarters.
Well, not one of the Mag 7, but Qualcomm sort of addressing at least 2, if not 3 of those 3 issues with the energy consumption and efficiency that their designs are known for, and then entering the AI server market, at least an area of it today, the stock getting a big pop. What's the most notable part of that announcement, do you think, and is the pop warranted?
It's definitely warranted. What's happening right now is every vendor out there is trying to figure out how to take something from NVIDIA, whether it's Google through TPUs in that last week's deals, or what's going on right now with Qualcomm. There is a mass rush to get energy consumption down, chip performance up, and to find an alternative to NVIDIA's GPUs.
So, Ray, whether it's Microsoft, whether it's Amazon, whether it's Alphabet, how should we be thinking about those cloud businesses, the competition between them, and the role that AI will continue to play as they spend more and more money to build out those capabilities?
Morgan, you're absolutely right. They're intertwined. What we see, especially when you think about Microsoft, Amazon, Google, there's a race to get cloud market share. We're really looking at our RPOs. We want to know what's going on in terms of those obligations. Oracle started that conversation a few weeks back, talking about their RPOs, especially what they're doing with Stargate and some of the other big amounts that are there. We're going to see some massive growth as AI and cloud are intertwined. There's going to be more cloud consumption as there's more AI consumption. If that number falls, then you know there's a decline in AI. But from what we're seeing is that number is going to be bigger than we can expect coming from Microsoft, Amazon, and Google, and more importantly, other players in the market like Oracle and CoreWeave.
When it comes to the innings we're in AI, is Meta in a different one than some of the other names that we talk about?
Meta is in a different game. You're definitely right there, because what's happening on the Meta side is what we're looking at is really their ability to take their models and apply to actually accelerate digital ads. One of the things that's an untold story at Meta is really the amount of AI they're using internally to drive down revenue operations, to improve ad efficiency, improve coding efficiency. They're going to be the most AI-enabled company among the Mag 7 in terms of how they use AI to create efficiencies, and then how they use AI to drive cross-sell in digital advertising revenue.